guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan. If you haven't already subscribed, you can hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Although you found this new video, so yay you. If you want to see all the other new videos, you can hit that bell and you'll find it. Or they'll notify you. So I'm doing an Arteza pour tonight, using Arteza products because they still have that coupon code for my viewers, which will be in the description box along with a link to their website. And they have goodies like canvases. This is a nice Arteza canvas. Paints. And they have paint sets where you get little ones in all different colors, and then you can get some individuals in the larger size. Larger size also comes in a multi-pack. And they also have some really fun kids things like hair chalk and that sort of thing. So if you need to stock up on some Christmas stuff, that 10% coupon come in handy. Plus it's free shipping, which is, you know, one of my favorite things. So go ahead and check that out. So I'm using today, ignore this leaf. It has nothing to do with the pour. My daughter and I were talking about doing something and she drew the leaf and then we decided not to do it. So we're painting over the leaf today. So I have sky blue mixed with some white and a little bit of the ultramarine blue just because I wanted to warm it up a little bit. And then I have some ultramarine blue. This is actually olive green mixed with, I put my green away. I think it's emerald green. Yes, it's emerald green mixed with olive green to make it just a little bit more mossy. I have white that I've mixed just a hair bit of my pearl essence in to make it a little bit pearly. My tribute to Bob Ross, I have some Van Dyke Brown. Did he ever do a painting without Van Dyke Brown? I do not think so. In this gorgeous color, wonder if I was going to check and then I forgot. Wonder if Arteza has a metallics mix. If they do not, they really should because their metallics are really beautiful. This is Pearl Copper Gold. So those are my colors here. I'll put them all together. And I was thinking about what to do, and I think I'm just going to do a good old flippity flip cup. They're easy, they're fun, they're quick. So why not? Okay. And they're probably my second favorite next to, let me get some of this paint out of the way, next to a swirl. And I am going to do one of these days an Arteza swirl because I have yet to do an Arteza painting with paint that has not had cells. So I'd like to try and see if I can do that. Everything is mixed with Floetrol, 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol, and then a few drops of the Spot On Treadmill Belt lubricant, except in the white, which does not have that. And it's all mixed to my loose custard mix, and if you're not sure what that is, I'll have a link to my video that shows what that mix is. I need a cup to do my flip cup. This may take more than 1 flip cup, so I'm trying to decide if I want to do some ultramarine. I don't know if I want to do an ultramarine. I should have painted the canvas ultramarine blue because I'm thinking some negative space with that would be really, really pretty. But I didn't do that because I didn't think ahead enough. So I could do some white because I don't think 1 flip cup's going to be enough. And sometimes we do, well, I can do 2. Let's fill the cup and then we'll see how I feel. Okay, so here's my white. Let's see. Do ultramarine blue. I have a ton of ultramarine. Really, I mixed a bunch of it. Might be just a hair bit thick. I did not leave myself enough room for that water, did I? And it's cold in here, so hopefully that's not going to affect anything. Because look at all that stuff just sitting and not reacting. But, you know when you make like an ice cream sundae? And, well, that one's sinking. And the hot fudge, if you're making it at home, if it's not hot enough, and then it hits that cold ice cream, it kind of clumps up, and you try and like eat it. That's kind of what it felt like when I was mixing the paint, because my room is so cold. And of course, everything, yeah, I think everything might still be just a little bit cold and thick, because I did the, well, we're going to see. Maybe it'll do some neat things, because like I said, I've never had an Arteza pour that did not have tons and tons of cells. So, it's going to be interesting. Okay, I'm going to fill this sucker up because this is a larger canvas. Let's see. Just add a little more green. I like this green. It's very earthy. I think what I'll do, ready? Sound effects. Bloop. I think what I'm going to do, because the problem with doing a negative space color afterwards that you already have silicone in is that it can resist the canvas and then you have issues. But I think, let's do some blue. Let's do some blue and some white. We'll try really hard not to mix it. Ooh, I got some blue in there. Until we tilt. Okay, now I have plenty. Oh my goodness, plenty of paint on the canvas. Okay. Scooch this around a little bit so it has a nice slick surface, and boop. Oh, not too thick at all. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, look at that blue through that gold. Oh, oh my goodness. That is pretty. Ooh, look at my cup. All that white. Isn't that neat? Okay, sorry. Do I even need to torch it? I'm going to, because habit, but I even really need to. I'm going to get some little ones. Oh, I'm glad I put paint around the edge. Now I don't have to do too much. In fact, I don't want to do too much, so I'm going to take my stick with the white paint on it. Push this over the edge. Okay, and we always play while I'm scooting paint around. We always play the chocolate game on my channel. Well, maybe not always, but we try to. Where if I say a movie quote, talk about movies or TV, you get to eat. Treat yourself to something sweet like chocolate. And for those of you who don't like chocolate or sweets or whatever, watch a kitten video, a dog video, something that makes you smile. Because that's the whole point, isn't it? Something that makes you smile and laugh. So, let's see. And sometimes it started doing that because it seems like I always talking about TV. I wasn't going to mix it, but it kind of looks really cool, so I'm going with it. I'm just going to go with it because I kind of like this look. It was coming, you know, I was talking about TV so much, it seems like, that, I was like, okay, we'll play a game, and then sometimes I have to just find a reason to do it. Sorry. Apparently talking and doing that at the same time was starting to become too much for my brain, and I couldn't do it anymore. So I have to think of, I haven't been watching a lot of TV. We have some family here for the holidays. Kids are watching a movie right now, and I don't even, my daughter put it on. She's older. I'm not even sure what she put on. So, holiday movies. What's your favorite holiday movie? Comment below. Let's see how far out I want to take this. Your favorite holiday movie. I don't think I want these cells to get super wonky, so I'm gonna, let's see, let's go this way. They're stretching kind of pretty that way. I'm gonna go a different tactic with this, I think. Keep that kind of in the middle and not make it look like a big blob. But anyway, your favorite holiday movie. Ooh, sorry guys. I am not thinking about two things at once very well at all. Okay, how can we do this? I guess if I'm going to focus on one thing, it should probably be the painting and not the movie reference, huh? Ugh, I'm going to pause while I think about this for a second because I do not want to ruin it while I'm playing around. Okay, so I'm going to take a chance and I'm going to go this way where the white is. So it almost looks like it's surrounded sort of by water. There's quite a bit of white here. But, you know, kind of that abstract idea. So, I know my cells are going to get wonky because I've kind of gone every direction already, but wonky cells are not the end of the world. Okay, now, it still just looks like a blob though, and I'm not super crazy about that. Ooh, look at these lines of gold and blue. Oh my goodness, I do like those. I like this corner, so maybe we should go that way and make it kind of, see if I can stretch some of these lines are gorgeous. I'm not going to lose those. If they start going away, I think I'll stop because, oh, those are cool. They're stretching. I can do some close-ups of those. Those are so neat. Reaching the danger zone. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. That looks earthy and oceany enough for me. I have to fix right here. I don't know if you can see. Right here, there's a little bit of canvas where the two did not meet. So I have to fix that real quick. I think what I'm going to do is just, what does this have on it? Okay, let's go up here with this. There we go. And I'm going to stand up, look at it from an eagle eye view. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's do some close-ups, especially right here, because that is really, really nifty. Okay. Isn't that neat? That gold and that ultramarine blue. Oh, and that on top of that Van Dyke brown, I didn't even notice till my light hit it, is the gold, what's it called? Rose gold. No, rose. This color. I said it at the beginning. So it's really shiny. And then that blue and white. It's a bit land and oceany. Oh, there's more of that gold and blue. That is super cool. And a little snow owl right in the middle. Hello, snow owl. Oh, that's neat. I love it right in there. Oh, look, there's a little dog. Okay, maybe I'm tired. I'm seeing all kinds of things. That's it. But do let me know your favorite holiday movie. I would love to know. And I didn't mention mine. I guess it's still Thanksgiving. So I'll say my favorite Thanksgiving movie is Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. We try and watch that every year because it's always good for a laugh. So anyway, we will see you next time. Oh, and I did want to mention real fast, I am behind on my comments, so I apologize on that. I do reply to every single one of them, but the flu bug has hit our house. And so I got it, my kids got it, so, and kind of one at a time instead of all at once. I don't know if that's better or worse. So I'm behind on my comments, so I am replying to them all. Just give me some time if I don't reply right away. And you can always check out my Facebook group, Fluid Art Fanatics, if you want to join there and join in on the conversation. And as always, guys, happy pouring. We'll see you next time.